Oh, it sets play in the button and sets options on the button.
Options. Select your level. You have to just
Sandbox train builder. So we need to try to get to coal car tanker.
Oh, you're taking forever.
So the truck and the green truck and the freight car.
Okay. I think that's enough.
Nope, that isn't.
We need to get this thing started. You're not.
On the long train.
That's a very long train. That's way too long.
That's way too long, Mommy.
It is a long train.
So we need to go to the Lake Valley train.
Okay.
That Lake Valley train is only had red stripes and red and white stripes.
Yeah, that's nice.
Driver? Yes, 1413. 4395 is little bit got too many cars. Oh yeah, right.
Oh, we're going.
We're moving to 4395 too. 4395 too is late. Way too long, so many cars.
No, it's actually not a bad land. It's okay. But that's a nice train.
Yeah, so it was a nice train. That's right.
Well, okay, we're inside the train now. Oh, okay.
So that's only 4395 too.
Mm-hmm.
Say hi 4395 too.
Hi, 4395 too.
Hi there, driver.
Dear driver, how are you? Where are we going today?
Going to the
The quarry, maybe?
yeah.
Going
So
to the quarry.
we need to, so we got the trucks. So the truck is empty. All of those trucks are empty.
Okay, so we're going to be picking up what should you call it now? We're gonna pick up some load. We're gonna put some load of stuff in there. I don't know.
And I need the turntable turned.
Yeah, where are you gonna find the turntable?
Maybe in the Lake Valley train.
Okay. Is that the turntable? That looks like the turntable.
So the train, I can't get in 1413. And he wants to talk to 4395 too.
Oh, that's not the turntable.
That's only a turntable. It's only dark yellow. I mean,
That looks like red to me. Oh, burgundy.
it's only red and white.
Okay, red. Now we're gonna go anywhere.
No, we're at the turntable. You turn the turntable and get the train is already turning.
Wow. Okay, that's cool.
Maybe the train goes into the background so slowly.
That's crazy.
So
And here we go. We're finally leaving
that's only not
at
leaving.
7.6 miles per hour.
So
But
we
that's
can't-
not. That's it. What? That's the end of the track.
Yeah, that's the end of the
How are
track.
we gonna go back? Because this truck is not going anywhere.
So this truck is going.
So we need to go back, I guess. I don't know. Can we go back to the turntable? So we need to go this direction then. So we have to turn the table to go somewhere over there. So.
And because we need to go backwards slowly. So,
This is not making any sense.
nope, it doesn't.
Okay, so we need to turn.
We stop at the turntable.
So we need to turn the thing around and go somewhere else.
Okay, and because that's the end of
But
the.
that's the other end. So we need to turn and continue turning. That's ending too. You're stressing me out.
I need to get the train backwards.
You are stressing me out. Oh. But we can't have the train going backwards. That doesn't make any sense.
That doesn't.
Oh, we are making a lot of crazy decisions here.
No, we are not.
We are too.
So driver can't get out of 1413's cab.
Are we going somewhere? Are we going somewhere? We're not going anywhere.
We need to go to 4395 too. It's only a long train.
I said, wait a minute. So you need to get this train to 42.
Okay.
So how we get
an hour is so
oh my goodness!
slow.
So where are you gonna go? How are you gonna get over there?
It's only a turntable.
But you're not turning properly on the table, or we would have gotten somewhere already.
Wait! Why did you know?
Brethren.
Don't speak to me, virgin.
You're a brethren.
Don't call me virgin.
Brethren, turn the thing and let's get going.
Okay. So we need to turn the turntable, and because there's only nothing. That's really nothing, right?
I'm not seeing anything.
See.
Did we get anywhere? Did we get anywhere on the turntable?
No.
Absolutely not. So you want to get over here, but you can't get over there.
So we had to turn the turntable. The train should go.
You know what, Zizah? I'm going to sleep.
No, don't go to sleep.
Because we're not. What are we doing?
We need to turn the table.
I don't know how to turn it.
Straight.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Where is it gonna? It doesn't make. Cause.
It's only turned it.
But it's going to another dead end.
No, it wasn't. Look. See, it doesn't go at the dead end.
Oh, finally. Oh, I see what you're doing. So we're gonna go here and then back up into this train.
Yeah, and because the train is going to be uncoupled back into the cars.
Okay, now I get it. Okay, fine. All right. So you want to couple this train? Okay, I get it.
So the train is going to be, so we can decouple trains.
I understand.
So we need to
I've never really been in a train yard, so I don't know.
I switched tracks.
You're sitting. Hey, here we go. Can we see? So the train is coming, baby. I said the train is coming.
Wait. It's only straight. It goes straight.
It's not supposed to. Oh, it's complete. Oh no, it's the wrong track.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh, we need to get on this track. How are we gonna do that? Wait.
We need to decouple off the back of the train.
But it doesn't make any sense. How are we gonna get over that track?
Maybe I switch tracks.
But switch it to where? Oh, over there. Oh, there we go.
So the train is a little bit too slow to decouple the train.
Okay, there we go. Oh, that's nice and good. Oh, this will make a nice video.
Yeah, but we are going to be not crashing the train, and because.
Okay, you're taking it slow.
Oh, it's only.
Couple. Did it couple?
Yes, it did.
Give me a 5. Yeah, we coupled.
And because it's only 43.95 too, and
we are ready to go. What should we call this train?
So 1413 is only uncoupled to the back of the train, and we need to decouple. I need to uncouple the train.
No, let it go. Let the thing drive for even a minute. Just let it go so that I can finish this video. Let it drive. Take off. Let's go.
I need to get the train at the yard.
Oh dear God. Why?
Because the train is not decoupling.
Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go make my coffee. This is not working out for me.
No.
You're stressing me out.
We need to do something else.
Oh my goodness. Where are we going now?
We're going to the yard.
foot? What? We just coupled the train and then you left the train.
Oh, we need to go on the turntable.
Yeah, I'm going. I can't.
No.
I can't.
No.
Because I thought we were going on a trip. And next thing you know, we're like,
we
I'm
need
ready.
to try again.
We
need to try again.
Oh my God.